Welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I'm just gonna vlog. I'm gonna freestyle this. You guys know how we do it over here. But before we get started with this video, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that I have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
Hey besties, so I am in my closet. You guys see this. I have been telling you I want to declutter. I want to get rid of some handbags. And I said, you know what? Today, I am just going to take everything off the shelf. Take everything off the shelf. And guys, I don't know where I get this 85 count from, because for some reason, and I need to update my insurance because I have 85 on my insurance paperwork. But after counting, and I'm still missing a Gucci crossbody I need to take from under the cabinet back there, it's 88. Okay, so my total is 88. I need to add 3 more handbags to my insurance profile. But guys, this is it. This is it. I think I did an amazing job for the past, what, four years with collecting. I have sold over 20 handbags. I've sold over 20 handbags. I had 115, and I think I'm doing very, very well. There's so much more that I want to get rid of, so that's exactly what I am going to do. I am going to basically pull the ones that I can see myself using carefree. Most definitely, I'm going to consider that first. Reverse monogram, I absolutely love, so I'm going to pull all of my reverse monogram handbags. Some of my speedies, I'm going to let them go. So guys, I don't know. I am just going to do this, but I just wanted to come and tell you guys it's real. This isn't going to be a long video, but I want you guys to know it's real. If I can do it, you guys can too. Get rid of those handbags you are not using. Put the money into your savings account. Invest in some land. Invest in a business. Invest in something that is going to honestly make you more money, okay? Something that you can pass down to your kids. Or if you want to gift yourself another handbag, but just gift yourself a handbag you are actually going to use. So mainly look for carefree handbags, handbags that you can use daily, handbags that you honestly can wear with anything, any season. Don't trap yourself into a season, meaning going to get lime green handbags, hot pink handbags, unless you know you are going to, pair it with something every day, okay? So I'm gonna turn the camera around and just give you guys a glimpse of my closet, of my handbags, my bandos, my fragrances, just basically everything, okay? Let's get started. Okay, so you guys seen some of my shoes. I told you guys maybe in another video, if I'm feeling more comfortable, I will show you my other 2 closets, because I don't want you guys to feel like I'm just trying to brag, but I'm just really trying to show you guys, my luxury collection of just not handbags, but my shoes as well. So you guys see, I cleaned out my shelves. Goes all the way down. This is my beautiful chandelier. And I want to get rid of that because I love the natural light, but I don't know, sometimes it irritates me. But it's more shelves there, guys. And going down, and I am going to remove, I want this to be, I think, a complete closet just for handbags. All my jackets, clothes, my jeans, I am going to take all of that away and make more shelves. So I'm not getting rid of every handbag, guys. I'm just making room for the things that I want. So here it is here. And no, I do not mind my handbags being down here. My floors are very clean. And you see where I keep my luggage, the backpack, my other luggage piece, okay? And more shelves. More shelves. And I have these 2 SLGs up there. And look at my lotion. came out of one of my handbags, but ISLG. Okay. Clean candles. Fragrances. And underneath there, guys, I keep some organizers underneath there. And also, that's where my Gucci handbag is. I totally forgot. And then I also have, you know, more slippers under there as well. So, but here is my collection of handbags. And I'm still missing the Maida handbag. But hey, it is what it is. And guys, please stop asking me for my favorite handbags. Even though I don't use these, and I probably won't, I'm not getting rid of these. It's hard for me to let go of discontinued items, okay? Like, I want to get rid of this Unprint bum bag, but my CA was like, Marquita, don't do it. So I'm not sure if something is coming up. I don't know what's going on, but she told me do not get rid of it because this was actually on the list to sell, okay? And I want to get rid of my Christian Dior saddlebag and also the tote, but my husband loves this saddlebag. So, I don't know. And guys, these LV slippers, look at the black. I wore them out. And you guys know I love being honest. I wore them out. So I try not to even use these. Because you see how and I wear these with socks. And it's just, I don't know. But I wore these out, the black ones. But here it is. I might get rid of the black on-the-go tote. It's a lot. Like the Palm Springs PM. Because I don't use it. The Graceful PM in the monogram print. Yep. And I'm really trying not to get rid of this toiletry. But I don't know. And I'm being honest with you guys. I'm really trying to hold on to this. But I just don't see why I'm holding on to it. And I think only because, like I said, it's discontinued. And I'm just trying to say, hey, Marquita, if something comes up and the price goes up, or, you know, I know it's going to be a vintage piece. All of these handbags, guys, sooner than later, LV is going to come out with more handbags as the years go by. These are going to be our vintage pieces, okay? As our kids get older, when they start shopping, they are going to be looking for these handbags. Hopefully, they're in good condition. You guys know we're dealing with quality issues. But for some reason, I don't know. I don't want to part from it, but I know I need to. These YSL handbags gotta go. They have to go, okay? Even my loop handbag. Oh my goodness, guys. I have my Felici Strap and Go. I didn't include that in my count either. I have to do better. My Speedies. I have to get rid of some of my Speedies. I think the Bicolor Speedy and the Wild at Heart Speedy. I am going to. Oh, and yes, probably my monogram Speedy as well. My Dolce & Gabbana tote. Of course, the Alma BB and Damier Bean print and also the monogram print. I am just going to keep these two colors here in the Alma BB. And I'm going to keep my Alma PM handbags. I still have the Odeon PM. Someone asked, I held that for so long for someone and I was telling everybody it was sold. And they changed their mind at the last minute. I'm like, ugh, irritating. The Vito, I am going to let this go for $1,300, guys. This cost me almost $3,000. So it'd probably be like $1,350, and that's including shipping. So if you want a nice size handbag, this is the V-Tote MM. You can bless someone with this as a Christmas gift. Guys, you will not find this price anywhere else. $1,350. And I might change my mind. I'm thinking about selling the Gucci Attaché handbag as well. I know, just haven't used it. Okay. And the monogram Never Full back there. and also the Sac Plaque PM in the very back. So guys, I'm going to go through these and really put the handbags to the side. So if it's anything you guys are interested in, and please, I am not going according to your budget. I'm telling you now, I'm not going according to your budget. My handbags are in great condition. And the beautiful heart bag. Okay, the Vavin. This is the BB size. And I love reverse monogram, but I'm really thinking about getting rid of this as well. This is the double zip pochette. Okay, and the multi pochette. I think I'm gonna get rid of that as well. Okay guys, so let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. But everything is out. And so, yep, it's over 85, guys. Over 85. And also, if you wear a size 36.5, I have some timeout sneakers. Never use these at all. And I never use these. Okay? And these are my favorite. These are my absolute favorite. These are the runaway sneakers. I don't know why these are just not fitting in. They used to just fit in. Okay, so guys, this is closet number 1. Like I said, I might show you 2 and 3. Those are just full of boots and other shoes. More Yeezys, more heels, and everything else. Okay guys, so I will let you know, but then again, some of the handbags that I did let you guys know about, that I just told you now that I might have for sale, you can email me marquitalvluxury@gmail.com. I will give you a yay or a nay. And again, I will put a price on it, but I am not going according to anyone's budget. My handbags are in very, very good condition. And yes, I added a bandeau. I thought that would be so cute and so different to add to this outfit. Let me know what you think. But guys, this is it. I'm in my closet. This is my collection. I am absolutely happy. I'm feeling great today. And shout out to everyone that's sending me messages stating that they are going to, you know, start their YouTube channel for the new year. I am super proud of you guys. Thank you so much for letting me know. And please don't give me any credit. I was just here to motivate you guys. You made the first step. You guys are doing it. And I'm telling you, I got your back. Just do it. If you have handbags in your collection, start your YouTube channel for the new year. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, email me marquitalvluxury@gmail.com. Mwah. Till next time, be safe and stay blessed, guys. Bye-bye.